In this video, I'm going to show you how to snap windows inside of Windows 10. For this tutorial, we're going to have several windows open. So I'm just going to right click and open a second File Explorer. Now that we have two File Explorer windows open, oftentimes you may have to resize them to get them side by side, like such. But with Windows 10, there's a neat feature where if you drag the window to the side of your screen, you can see a glass silhouette showing that it will snap to that half. And then we can just click the other window, and now we have snapped two windows side by side. Another neat feature of this is that if we drag a window to the top of the screen, it will autofill and do a full screen view. Now let's say if we open up a third tab here, let's do Microsoft Edge. Let's move this window to the top right corner opposed to the right side, and we can see a glass silhouette for just the top right half of the screen. Now with this other window, let's take it to the bottom right side. We can see it has a glass silhouette there. And then we can click this window, and now we have one half screen and two quarter windows. These of course can be moved around if we want to change their layout. Let's put this one down here. We have this one. This is the basics to window snapping inside of Windows 10. And this has been a video by NephewTech.com, and I hope you've learned something.